as the William Hinman email release uncovers some of the most secret and confidential emails between both the Ethereum Foundation and the SEC. Vitalik Buterin officially resigns as head of the Ethereum Foundation. Now, if you don't know who Vitalik actually is, Vitalik Buterin is a Russian-Canadian computer programmer and became involved in cryptocurrency in its early inception as the co-founder of Bitcoin magazine in 2011. But back in 2013, Vitalik officially founded the Ethereum blockchain. This included the entire Ethereum Foundation, which was officially created, and the Ethereum crypto coin. But everything changed in the year of 2018, when XRP officially started off the year hitting an all-time high at around $3.84. At the same time, XRP's market cap was exponentially growing, even beginning to compete with the Ethereum market capital. Thus, the Ethereum Foundation was struck with fear, and so they decided to do what they could do because they had the funds to do so, and that was to go ahead and personally attack XRP. How did they do this? They went ahead to Jay Clayton and the SEC official, paid them a bunch of money, and told them to give a speech and make sure that within this speech, Ethereum is deemed a cryptocurrency. And that's exactly what William Hinman did. At the time, he was the director at the SEC, and he clearly and concisely stated the fact that Ethereum is not a security, along with Bitcoin is not a security, but didn't label any of the other cryptocurrencies. Now, that was supposed to drop the price of every other cryptocurrency, but skyrocket the price of Ethereum and Bitcoin. And even though this actually did happen, bringing the price of Ethereum up 6% from a previous 20% down, XRP eventually skyrocketed with it, even going ahead and overtaking Ethereum's market capital, making Ripple XRP overtake Ethereum and come in second place after Bitcoin, stating the second largest cryptocurrency on CEO's bullish bet being XRP rather than Ethereum. This was another trigger to the Ethereum Foundation, and this time they wanted to get XRP out. So what did they do? They decided to pay William Hinman and, most importantly, his chairman Jay Clayton more money and millions of dollars more to sue Ripple, the company that was basically running on the XRP ledger, and to deem XRP a security. And so what did they do? Jay Clayton did exactly that. On December 22nd of 2020, the SEC sued Ripple and deemed XRP a security, and guess what happened on the 23rd of December? Well, quite simply, the guy that sued Ripple the day previous officially resigned. Jay Clayton. And not only did he just resign, he went and worked at Simpson Thrasher, which is a major crypto law firm which was funded completely and founded completely by the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, which is basically the Ethereum Foundation, proving a complete conflict of interest and a direct correlation between money by the Ethereum Foundation and the lawsuit suing both Ripple and deeming XRP a security. And with that, we land on the SEC Ripple lawsuit, which is a year-long battle, now getting close to its third year, in which the SEC still fights over the fact that XRP is a security. But today, all of this changed, because the William Hinman emails uncovered all of this conflict of interest and put the Ethereum Foundation chairman in a very tight corner. Now everybody knows that he and the SEC officials were working together to do this major scandal, and so he has decided to, as per this account right here, resign as the head of the Ethereum Foundation. Chairman. Having a look at this information right here, it states, on June 14th, Hinman shared a draft of the speech with the SEC division heads and wrote that the proposed language about Ether is in brackets and would be used if we are all in an agreement. And adding, we also have a call with Buterin later this week to confirm our understanding of how the Ethereum Foundation operates, suggesting that the draft did not reflect Hinman's understanding of how the Ethereum Foundation operates. It also informs at the beginning that, for example, after Ether's initial inclusion in the draft alongside Bitcoin as an example of a digital asset that no longer were securities, drew opposition from within the SEC. Hinman inserted an alternative to the proposed Ether language, which could be used on Ether if we need to hedge the issue a bit at the time of the speech. This is crazy news right here. Now, the entire Hinman speech has officially been released, and all of the documentation that was redacted, including the deposition, is right in front of you. So again, if you want to have a quick read, you can do so, but this is extremely important right here. It cites that right here, arguing the XRP is security because Ripple was XRP's largest stakeholder and therefore had economic incentives to make the price of XRP go up. Compare the SEC Lite email. Lockups for developers/promoters are indicatories of non-security digital assets, with the SEC BR at 25, arguing that the XRP is security due to founder lockups and Ripple XRP escrow. Now, before we move further into this video, if you're trying to make yourself a ton of XRP by staking it, you'll have to use Dexpool, which is linked in the description. Now, I do want to say that they just sponsored this video, but they are actually one of the greatest platforms that I personally use to stake my XRP, and I've been staking with them for some time. Now keep in mind, they give you your profits every single 8 hours and have over $386 million in total protocol liquidity, and that's increasing on a daily basis. They also have over 383 pairs and feature all of the top cryptocurrencies, including some of these smaller ones as well, so you can basically stake any cryptocurrency that you hold. And to top it off, for you guys, they're doing a 100 XRP liquidity bonus, in which you get a 10-day liquidity bonus. The offer is limited, and make sure you guys take advantage of this. Again, the link is down in the description. They have a bunch of options like top up, withdraw, and view your transactions, and it is extremely simple to do all of this, and you can actually complete it in only a few clicks. I personally have not only been able to withdraw my profits, but also my initial investment, and they allow you to unlock your liquidity at any point in time and reap the rewards still that you have gained, so you basically don't lose. That being said, make sure you guys do use the link in the description, and let's get right back into the video. With everything going on, there are three major rumors that have been released on June 13th of 2023. The first one being that Ripple and the SEC are planning to settle. Now, I want to make this clear that even though Ripple CEO cited that this tweet is not in reference to settlement, in which she says, no, it's not in reference to settlement, it does not mean settlement isn't on the table. And we'll have a separate video talking more in detail about this. It does make sense that in this tweet, he's referring to the William Hinman documentation. And so he's clarifying that by answering the question is, could this tweet be referring to settlement? He cites, no, it is not. The second major rumor for the date of June 13th of 2023 cites XRP is going to be integrated by multiple countries for cross-border payment transactions, and that the SWIFT banking system will now have some of its volume taken over because the RippleNet system is going to be dominating it. This is a factually based rumor, and it's not a rumor because it's 100% fact-based. There has been significant amount of volume increase in the XRP ledger and in XRP specifically. In fact, just over the last 10 days, XRP has grown immensely, gaining over $1 billion in trading volume. And of course, Ripple officially rolled out their central bank digital currency platform for multiple governments and financial institutions to use, those including countries and central banks. So the process has already begun. Now, the last and most unlikely situation is XRP to reach $96.72 per XRP by the 14th of June. Now, this is something that I talked about in a different video, and I clearly and concisely stated that I personally do not believe this is going to happen because it's going to happen too quick, and the timeline given of June 14, 2023 is literally in the next couple hours. So it's past 12, so it's currently June 14th. The facts don't prove it's going to happen. The technical analysis doesn't state it's going to happen. It seems like some random news that was created by just a random account. So this is the rumors. I'm giving it to you guys. But $96.72 has quite clearly already been debunked since it is currently past 12, and the current price of XRP as of this exact moment is 51 cents, heading at 51.5 cents right here. So it is positive. We did have a major pump today because of the William Hinman emails. It did drop, but overall, I will say that it has been quite decent for XRP. So those are the three most prominent news rumors that I have went ahead and showcased to you guys. Like I said, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys go ahead and show your support by smashing the like button, hitting that subscribe, and of course sharing this video to your friends and family. This is some serious news, specifically the Ethereum resigning. That is fantastic to see. If this news is 100% legitimate, we are going to see some very, very, very positive stuff happening for the Ripple SEC lawsuit, specifically because once again it will prove what is going on to be 100% legitimate. So, like I said, smash the like button, share this video, let everybody know what's going on, and that being said, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, all my social media links will be in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.